So it seems, Ceann Comhairle, that the government and their lackeys on this side are simply going to use this any opportunity to shout down members of the opposition who are making serious points about housing. Taoiseach, you're letting yourself down. You're letting yourself down. Instead of engaging seriously with the opposition on our constructive proposals for housing, you engage simply in name-calling, suggesting we're misrepresenting things. Listen back to your housing minister just now on the radio. He said tax breaks were on the table. That's absolute statement of fact. Taoiseach, it's beneath you to say Ginch and Brega about members of the opposition, to accuse us of misrepresenting. You're in government. It's your job to fix the housing crisis. We in opposition offered you the opportunity for a debate last week. You didn't show up. Your housing minister didn't show up. Barely anyone from government showed up. We have another opportunity this week. The opposition are providing opportunities to debate and address the housing crisis. You're not engaging seriously.
Thank you, deputies.
With the greatest respect, Deputy, you had an opportunity to go into government, but you didn't show up. Well,
Deputy Bacik.
If I could say,
Deputy Bacik, resume your seat.
Yesterday, the Housing Subcommittee of the Cabinet met, and we made some concrete decisions in relation to housing. 450 million additional funding to build a further 3,000 affordable and social homes and cost rental. The decision to establish a strategic housing activation office, as recommended by the Housing Commission, that you are fond of. That was decided upon, and that's what we're doing. In addition to that, we have agreed the first revision of the National Planning Framework, which is extremely important in facilitating increased zoning of land for more houses to enable us to do that. And that will be published, and I really appreciate the support of the Dáil in getting that through.
Thank you, Taoiseach.
And also then the county development plans, which will allow us to reach the targets and give us a fighting chance of reaching those targets as identified by the ESRI.